guys, what's up? I'm Carson, and my buddy Glenn, he's the cameraman this time. And right here, as you can see in the beginning of the video, this is a train, a Lego train. And it's what you call. And I'm going to tell you guys all about it. So yeah. So first, how about we get to this excavator? We'll get to the train later. So here's the excavator. Simple, you know. But it has a little pull thing so you can reach down, pick up stuff, move stuff. Really cool. And then you have the recycling truck. Got some garbage bags, all that stuff. And then the crowbar, the train station right here. Kind of breaks every time I use it. But it has a nice winch, a little train thing. And you can like move it. You can bring it down. You can slide this thing to get wherever you need it. So if something's right here, you can bring the thing down, grab it, bring it up a little bit, slide it, and put it on the train, wherever you need it. Okay. So now, let's get to the track. So, there's a little thing that everyone knows about it, but I'll tell you about it. So, if you do it like this, then the train's going to go straight, because the thing's open. But if it's like this, it'll catch onto this and go up here. And now this one doesn't do anything, and then stills on it, but if you back up, then it'll do something. I have it like that. And so now
hey,
here.
Chris, can you show him if it crashes, what will it do when it will crash? And if you have it out of bounds, like it goes right there and...
Great question. It really does not crash unless one wheel on the train, the back wheel, then it can like fall off, if the train's going up here, if the train's like right here, and the other trailer's, the end of the train's right here, and you flick it, then the train will go and it'll like break in half and everything.
Can you show people like what will happen? What you explain?
So you hit this button to turn it on. You can see the green through it, and then you just move this control to go forward. And
if you like flick it when it's at the end, and then can we like see the real thing that will happen?
Yep. Somehow, for some reason, it's not working. It's quite weird.
It's not okay.
Let me take quick second. Oh, I found the problem, guys. I just need to put this on. Got no big problem. You know, just a little big one, not just a little small one. Okay, so now we'll go on to the next one. It's electrical, so it can move. So here's my explosion. Boom. See?
It went half apart, and there's a train, and it went half apart.
Yep. See? But now, if you're saying, well, I want to get that, but I don't want to like move everything, you just gotta put that on there, and then just crank that to the side, and the wheels, the electric back wheels, will go that way, and look what happens. Well,
And that will have...
if that's new. This is what happens when something's on it. And something's off the train. So what you need to do is you always need to have tips. If you want to stop the train, just hit the stop button. And then you can fix it yourself.
And
then, see, as I was saying before, switch it up.
maybe
Back it up.
maybe the people who are watching this might want to know where it's from and how did it come.
Well, I got this for Christmas. It's probably came from Toys R Us. I do not know how much it is. But to my concern, what they... Oh, I know. I got it on Amazon for... I think they said it was $130 on Amazon. So if you guys want a good price on this toy, go on to Amazon. Because at the toy store or somewhere else in the world, it costs $200. You get a $70 order. So, yeah, that's all about my train. That can go up to 1 mile per hour, I believe the box said. But if this is going as fast as it does in real life, this would be faster than any other train would be going about 100 miles per hour.
So are you gonna show them if on the track if you touch a train, just touch it?
Yeah, you can touch the train.
So it won't tip over or anything if you touch it, like the multiple speed.
But if you put your hands on it, it hurts really bad, people. It hurts really bad. And I'm actually really good at switching it at the right time. Now you can see it's quite messed up.
Is that all you want to say?
Yeah, I think that's all I gotta say for you guys today. If you guys want to see more videos from us, I know we're new, you guys probably don't like us. Like you guys probably like Roman Atwood and KNTV and all them. But Landon and me, my buddy Landon and me, we're helping to get as good as them. And to do that, all you guys gotta do is hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. So go do that right now. If you guys like these videos, put down in the comment section and say, I like your videos. Because it really helps us out a lot. And yeah, so that's my train. You guys can comment down also in the comment section below and say what other videos would you like us to do. Like prank videos, more Lego videos, building videos, like whatever, game videos, Wii videos, whatever. We're going to do a bunch of them today and see which one you guys like. We're making 4 videos today. And as I found out today, figured out how to make them. But I do not have account on YouTube, so I cannot make YouTube videos. It's only my buddy Landon, right here. He's the only one that can make them on his tablet.
Boom.
So I can only make videos when he's over. Luckily it's winter break. He's been over all week. This is his last day here. Hopefully. And next time I'll see him is going to school with him. So next time we'll be able to make a video is on a day off of school and he comes over our spring break and summer break. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye!